Let's see how to respond to your Instagram and Facebook comments using the power of AI. So here we are going to use a free template to make things easier. Here I am in a demo account. So if you head over to flows over here, so let me go to the flows, and here in flows, if you click on all free templates folder, you can find all the free available templates. And here if you click on comments automation, you can find all the free templates available related to comments automation. So let me open that particular folder, and here you can find AI comment replies FB and IG template. So using this particular free template, you can actually easily customize the comment replies for your Facebook and Instagram easily. So let me first open this particular free template right here. So here you have instructions on how to use this particular free template. So here in the OpenAI action block, you have to simply update whatever the business information right here about your business. So for example, let's say your business is about a plumbing company. So just for an example, so here we have created some knowledge base related to a plumbing company right here, named as Flow Fix Plumbing Solution. So let me simply use this particular business information right here to show you how this actually works. So let me simply copy paste all the information right here, copy this one, and let me paste it over here. Alright, I have just pasted it, and here let me say you are a helpful assistant to this particular solutions. Respond to customers question in just 1 to 2 sentences. Let me click continue over here. Alright, publish it. So we have just updated this particular business information. Now we just need to connect this particular flow to your Facebook and Instagram comment automation tools. For that, you have to go to the auto marketing over here, click on it, and here you have to choose Facebook comments automation, click on it. So in Facebook comments automation, click on add over here and say AI FB comments test, click continue. So here you can simply choose all posts, so that this simply works on all the Facebook posts which you will be posting in the future, and also it simply works for all the past posts as well, and private reply to comment. So here our goal is to just reply to the comments or using the AI, so we don't want to send them any sort of DMs. So here in this case, private reply to the comment, we can simply choose none over here, and public reply to comment, here you have to choose the flow which we have just edited, which is AI comment replies FB and IG template. Simple as that. And here you can simply reply to all comments. So whatever the comments posted by the customers will be handled by this particular flow automation we have just set up. And here you have the option to like the comments as well, and you can even delay these comment replies as well. So for now, let me choose immediately and click save, and make sure you activate this one as well. So for the Facebook comments automation, we have just created this one, and likewise you have to create the same for the Instagram comment automation as well. So let me go back to the auto marketing, choose Instagram comments automation, and let me deactivate this one, and in the Instagram comment automation, let me create one again. So IG AI comments, so let me name this one as IG AI comments, click continue, and choose all post, and here private reply to comment, we don't want to send them any sort of DM, so choose none. And for the public reply to comment, choose the flow. You can choose the same flow because it simply works for both Facebook and Instagram as well. So I choose the same flow, and here you have the options over here. You can even delay these responses if you want. Let me click save. Alright, make sure you activate this one as well. So now we can quickly test how this actually works. So let me actually test this on Instagram, so it simply works on the Facebook as well. So let me test this on Instagram. So here you can see my phone screen right here, and let me go to this particular flow where we have all the business information. Alright, so here we have all the business information, as you can see here. So let me open a random Instagram post over here and add a comment. So let me add a comment asking what is the opening hours. So let me add this comment and see what happens over here. So I just added the comment, what is the opening hours, and it simply says our opening hours are Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. We also offer 24/7 emergency services as well. So it simply provide us a response over here as well. So let me ask about the pricing as well. So here let's ask about water heater installation. So let me open another post over here and add a comment. So let me open this particular post and let me add a comment. How much is for water heater installation? So let me add this comment. How much is for water heater installation? So the water heater installation actually starting at 1000 USD. So let's see what sort of response we actually getting over here. So let me refresh or open this one again. All right, we got the response, and let me open this one, and it says water heater installation starts at 1000, but the final cost may vary depending on the model and the complexity of the installation. Simple as that. So likewise, it simply works on the Facebook as well. So I'm not going to show that at the moment, but you can easily customize this particular free template. Just you have to simply add whatever the business information about your business information right here, and it simply works for your own business pages such as your Facebook and Instagram pages as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually generate comment replies using the power of AI. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.